Hey, I'm Maria Hyde. I am the owner of Hearts and Keys Art. I'm just going to take a little tour of my studio since we're doing the online version of the Art for the Heart Festival this year. So before I get started, I just wanted to show you around a little bit. Not an exciting studio by any means compared to some places. It's the front room of my house. It also serves as guest room, but this is where I create my art. For the next year, I am going to be running a special since we do lower prices typically during events. So if you do enter in art, the number 4 heart, as a coupon code on heartsandkeysart.com, you would get 20% off. Anybody in the city of Maricopa that is looking for things or purchases to be delivered in the city, I can deliver. I can also meet you someplace if we don't want to deal with shipping. But here we go. I'm just going to show you around a little bit. All right, so just to take a quick look at my studio, like I said, it's not very exciting. It is just a bedroom, but it's definitely my cozy place. I enjoy this space. Painted the walls purple. Sometimes it looks like a small child lives in here. I am, however, 40 years old, so whatever. But artists are fun that way. So just a couple things to take a look at in here. I've got this painting that was done as part of a Maricopa city art contest, I think through the Art Council. Did not win, however, it was a fun thing to do. My collection of stuffed animals. So one important piece in my art room, I think, is this painting by my grandma, the late Marion Francillo. She was a great artist. She was visually impaired. She worked with acrylic, or with oils rather. This is one painting I have of her. She's got very, very many spread out through the family. I do have some more that I'm going to be getting eventually. Here we've got a few more paintings that I have done. Just some things that are around. There's a lot more in storage, but I do a lot of pour artwork. So using Floetrol and acrylic paints. A lot of them I do use as backgrounds. I do like to paint over them. This is a wall hanging my mom made and a quilt my mom made. So definitely some creativity in my family in general. But here we got some of my desert painting series. A few of those. Paint board or a bulletin board that I painted. And we've got some cool cat curtains from IKEA that my brother told me I should not buy, so I bought them. Anyways, here's my desk. I got this as a free giveaway on Facebook. Somebody was throwing it out because they were moving, which has served my purpose rather well. Pretty much, basic space, like I said. Share it with the treadmill and a futon that's behind me, so serves as our guest room too. But yeah, just have a lot of fun with the area that I have. Like I said, I mostly do acrylic paints. I use a lot of Soho paints from Jerry's Artorama, some Liquitex Basics. We've got some fun glow-in-the-dark paint there that I do play with on occasion. Black lights are really easy to see the glow-in-the-dark when you're trying to paint with it. But really just collection of some fun stuff that I have, some brushes. Right now I'm working on some necklaces that hopefully I will have posted by the time the festival starts. But really just fun space, love being in this space, have a lot of fun with it. And yeah, so really I hope you enjoyed the little tour here. And this is one of my cats. This is Piper. I was trying to look for her. But anyways, thanks for taking a look, and definitely check out my shop. It is heartsandkeysart.com. Like I said before, there is a coupon code art number 4 heart. Put that in at the checkout, get 20% off, and hope to see you in person next year.